Jordan Brand will launch the Air Jordan 11 Grand Finale on November 11, 2025, aligning with Singles Day, priced at $230 and offered in women's sizing through Nike.com, retailers, and online platforms. With a sophisticated mix of sail, pearl gray, white, and metallic silver, the sneaker balances timeless appeal and modern flair, making it versatile for both casual wear and formal looks. Its premium construction highlights white leather uppers, a sleek gray patent leather mudguard, and a semi-translucent outsole framed by a crisp midsole, polished by the metallic silver Jumpman on the ankle. More than just footwear, this release symbolizes elegance, comfort, and Jordan Brand's enduring legacy in sneaker culture. Carefully designed to stand out as both a fashion statement and a collector's item, the Grand Finale captures the spirit of exclusivity, luxury, and holiday-ready energy that defines the brand's iconic drops.